A cartoon of a tablet appears with a green speech bubble that says bodily injury liability. Other bubbles pop up around the tablet saying covered loss, deductible, MVR, comprehensive, exclusions, endorsement, collision, uninsured, medical payments coverage, uninsured, liability, premium, at fault.
Hey, look, we get it. Insurance is confusing. But here at Erie Insurance, we speak your language.
The bubbles disappear and a single one pops up in their place. It says hi.
Take comprehensive versus collision coverage, for example. What's the difference? Let's start with collision. Collision coverage generally pays for damage to your vehicle for accidents that happen while you're behind the wheel.
Animation of a blue car driving, then rear-ending a light green car. Text, collision. If you're at fault, collision covers the damage to your car. Liability covers damage to the other car.
But let's say you're at the store.
A blue car parks outside a row of shops. Lightning strikes it and turns it into a pile of ash.
When you come back, your car isn't quite the way you left it.
A string of characters indicating swearing comes from a speech bubble inside the store.
And that's when comprehensive kicks in. One more thing. Collision and comprehensive are sometimes optional. An Erie agent can help steer you in the right direction. We speak your language.
Text, just ask. Erie Insurance. Above all in service since 1925. In the word service, the ERIE are raised higher than the other letters.